Good evening, dear sir, and all my classmates. Today, my presentation topic is the halal economy. The word halal is an Arabic word which means allowed or permissible. It is used in Islam to describe the things which are allowed to use, eat, and do for Muslim peoples according to Islamic law, Sharia code. The halal economy also include those goods and services which are ethical, safe, and clean for Muslim people, because only according to Islamic law they can buy and purchase the goods and services. It also includes the halal finance. It states that they practice free investment banking system and interest-free banking system, and use ethical and traditional investments. Another thing is halal cosmetics. It states that if they use animal-based extracts, they firstly try to see that it is halal certified or not. Thirdly, halal food and beverages. It states that they do not gonna use pork or alcohol because it is banned, because it is haram according to Islamic rules. On the other hand, haram means which is not allowed in Islam. Now let's talk about the impact of halal economy in over the world. Firstly, this global halal economy. This global halal economy is worth more than $2 trillion, and it also includes countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Iran, and UAE, etc. Even nowadays, non-Muslim countries are also following this halal economy system in their country, because it is very profitable and it increases the GDP of a country, and because it is going very trending and people trust a lot in halal standards. Now, the halal economy impact on Indian economy. Firstly, it increased the GDP of our country, and you will gonna be shocked after knowing that India is one of the highest export. India is the highest exporter of beef over the world, and it comes under the second or third position in that export. But India does not export the cow beef. It do the buffalo beef export. And India has the third largest Muslim population in the world. But the negative impact of this economy in our country is that that small business and micro level businesses cannot afford this certificate, because it is very costly, and it is not easy for everyone to buy this halal certification. So, and another thing is that these kind of economic system can create tensions in the country, and can also create public and social disturbance. But this economy help us to boost the export, and also help us to create the strong and healthy relations with Muslim countries through export and import. And it also increases the employment level in our country. And like McDonald's does not use beef in India because it is banned, but still we export beef. Thank you. May I have queries?
Does non-Muslim people in India can also get halal certificate?
Yes.
Queries?
In simple way, how we can understand halal, you are saying the time.
Basically, halal economy is that, like in our tradition, in our culture, we basically use chhatka economy. Like when we, like for example, if I take example of there are two deers, and another one is a Muslim boy who's cutting that deer, and on the other hand there is a Hindu boy. So we will just randomly cut it and keep it aside. But they firstly, they will cut it into three, slowly, because that it is because it is not their cruelty. It does not show that they're cruel towards the animal. Is that because they want to remove that bad blood from the animal, so that they cannot face any health issues in further.